Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and volume down. And you want to hold it till the moment you see Sony logo, at which point you just let go of them. So there we go. And that is how you boot into recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up. And from here you can reboot the device, reboot the bootloader, all fast boot mode, apply updates, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. And whatever you select, you'll then confirm with power key. So I want to leave this mode and I'm gonna stick with the reboot system now, which is gonna reboot the device and take me back to Android. So confirm it, and there we go. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.